First value is 85024. Now I have this much money. You can increase your money, your power, your items, or anything you want. Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Today I'm gonna tell you how you can hack any game with Cheat Engine. It's very easy. You can hack almost every game with the help of Cheat Engine. Everybody know about Cheat Engine, so I'm gonna show you how it's work. So let's get started. Here's the Cheat Engine. You have to double click on it, press yes. I'm gonna give the link in description. You can download it from there. Okay, so now you play any kind of game. Just click on the search process list. It's look like this. You have to find your game. I'm playing now Remnant, so I'm gonna click it and open it. Okay, here's the Remnant Win26. Now it's loaded. Okay, so now I have to see my money, that money or value or whatever you want to increase. Wait, I'm gonna show you I want money. Okay, because I have just 26,324 money. I want million billions. Okay, so let's get started. When you open up the process file, you have to go to the value, write down here 86,324. You have to add the exact value. See, here's the value. Okay, now click on first scan. See, it's found files, 13 files, 15, 16. So there's the files, but now you have to change this value. Go and get some, buy anything or do anything what you want to decrease your value. Okay, or increase the value, because it's work with the change of value. I have to buy something because it will decrease the value of the money. See, I'm gonna buy it any of random. Click on buy. See, it's gonna be in decrease. Now go back to the Cheat Engine. Right here the value that is current 024, and now this time click on next scan. See, there's the only one value left. Click on it, press this arrow, and it's gonna be add here. Click on it, enter. When you press enter, the value will be, you can edit the value. Okay, just remove it and write whatever you want. Okay, and press enter. Did you see that the value is increased? First value is 85024. Now I have this much money. You can increase your money, your power, your items, or anything you want. Okay, or ammo. Okay, now I'm gonna buy something, all buy it. See, my money never go to the previous. I'm buying everything. No matter what price it is. See, so with this trick we can get unlimited money, unlimited ammo, anything that we want in any game. But I'm gonna tell you, it's not work on online games. It's just for offline games. In online games it will be detected and you got banned from that game. Okay, so don't use it on the online games. It will give you ban. You can use it on only offline games. So one more thing that I want to tell you, if you learn more about the cheat engine, in the help there's the cheat engine tutorials, 60-bit cheat engine tutorial for games, cheat engine tutorials for other values, I think. Okay, there's too many things in the cheat engine. It's not a small software, it's a big, too huge software. You can do anything with that. You can also hack softwares. Okay, so thanks for watching. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.